Hi there, Katie here. Let's talk about, as I talked about in part 1 of the 5-minute Fluency mini-series, fluency is made up of the accuracy, the rate, and the prosody with which your child reads. The goal is to build fluent readers, not to be confused with speed readers, because as soon as your child isn't focusing on decoding the individual words in a sentence, they can focus on the ultimate goal of reading, and that is understanding what it is that they're reading. Rereading is one way to improve fluency, and it's exactly like it sounds like, reading a text over and over and over until you're reading it very smoothly. But struggling readers, reluctant readers, new readers, really any kind of reader isn't going to want to sit and reread and reread and reread a text again. There's no purpose in that, and it's boring. So give your child an authentic reason why they need to reread and practice reading a text over and over, like a performance. First, pick a short text for your child to perform. Something like a poem is perfect. When I was brainstorming for this video, Shel Silverstein's poems popped into my mind. They're highly engaging. They lead very easily to expressive reading, and they're interesting for a wide variety of children and audiences. Next, practice rereading. The goal is not to memorize your piece that you're going to perform. Rather, the goal is to work on your expression and your phrasing so that it's very smooth when you're delivering your performance so your audience can easily understand it. You can use strategies from the part 1 video like echo reading and choral reading to practice at the beginning and then have your child reread it out loud to you several times. Finally, put on a show. You can use simple props or costumes, a toy microphone if you have one. They can sit on a special stool, however you want to make the performance special. Plan your performance for the next time grandparents are over, or do it over FaceTime for relatives that might be far away. Invite other family members to perform also. Remember, you are your child's greatest example of a fluent reader. And don't forget to record their performance. Afterwards, your child can listen to their beautiful, fluent reading. I hope you have fun putting together fluency performances. I would love to hear about them here in the comments or on Instagram. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Happy Reading with Katie. New videos come out every Thursday, so you can hit that little bell notification so that you never miss out. Until next time, happy reading.